Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to a new 2-minute tongue twister challenge. This week, the sound we're looking at is ah. Nice, easy sound. Just open your mouth. Ah. Tongue goes down a little bit at the back. Ah. So our tongue twister this week is Jack's hat's black and the sad fat cat's black. Once more. Jack's hat's black and the sad fat cat's black. Not too hard. All the sounds have an ah in. Jack's hat's black and the sad fat cat's black. Ah, ah, ah. Lots of ah sounds. So now you try Jack's hat's black and the sad fat cat's black. So how did you go? Could you do this week's tongue twister challenge? Jack's hat's black and the sad fat cat's black. Practicing English pronunciation for just a couple of minutes each day will help to improve those pronunciation muscles and help to improve your English listening as well. For lots more English pronunciation practice, you can head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym here on my YouTube channel or over on the Study HQ Cairns website. There's lots more limericks, tongue twisters, and different ways to practice your pronunciation. So go and have a workout of your English muscles. Thanks for watching. See you next time.